Hey, hey Heather, how are you? Yes, I am making 100 a day with this great Bitcoin company. How am I doing it? I just want to, I'm doing this for YouTube and Facebook, my YouTube family and my Facebook family. And I want to explain how I'm doing it. Right now, Bitcoin, yesterday it went to 52.47, $5,247. Today is at about, it's dropped. You're bored. How are you bored? It dropped to about 4,800 and something. 4,837. So it dropped about 400 and something dollars. That's what happens. It went up real high and it dropped. That's called momentum, and it dropped, and that's just what happens. You got to understand the game. We're still making money because our company trades Bitcoin. It's not investing. Investing is buy and hold. Trading, you're in and out. When when it's low, you buy. When it goes up, you sell. When it drops back, you wait for it, you sell. You wait for it, you drop back down, you buy again. That's trading. When you're trading Bitcoin right now, you can make money. It's a volatile coin, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. It's the number one cryptocurrency. But you can make money if you understand the game. And I told you yesterday, don't buy Bitcoin because it's high. Wait for it to drop. And it's dropped. I even will give it another couple of days, like next week, and see where it is. I haven't really looked at the charts, but I just know how it works. So what you want to do is get in the game. If you're going to get it through Coinbase or something, wait for it to drop. But I need most of you to set up your Coinbase accounts. You are so funny, Heather. You are the most boring man I have ever seen. You're hilarious. So what you want to do is, hey, Tangia Mitchell. Yeah, that's right. What's up, Dwayne? Oh, it's happening. What you want to do is this. I want you to put you in a position where you can make money in the Bitcoin market. I really do. And the best way to do it is with this company, Wealth Boss, that I have a link to. Sign up. Most of you, when you sign up, please ask me about, oh, Tanya. Okay, Tanya. So when you get in, I want you to, I want to send you my link, my Coinbase link. So just inbox me and let me know that you signed up, because you have to go through Coinbase to transfer your money. So to Coinbase, then you transfer to the Wealth Boss. Now, it's fun because you can buy different types of cryptocurrency in Coinbase. And I have another program that's I sent you, Heather, I sent you the Coinbase link yesterday. I sent you the Coinbase link yesterday to your inbox. What you want to do is, because I have a couple of programs, so once you start moving money to Coinbase, I can turn you on to my Forex company that I'm doing 5% a day with. 5% a week with, making money every day. 5% a week with. That is real, but you got to do Coinbase. Turn your money into cryptocurrency, then you can move it to my Forex company too. Yeah, this is what's hot. I mean, I'm in about 3 or 4 companies that's making me money. This one is just my number one company. And I put most of my money in it, and I do most of my work with this one. But I'm in other ones too because I like making money. Because I know the owners. They have a black man and woman owner. They have a Mexican owner. They have a Colombian owner. They have a Filipino owner. And they have a white owner. Black couple, Mexican, Colombian, Filipino, and white owner. Black couple, male, female, Mexican, Colombian, Filipino, white owner. That's great. So this is an international company. The black woman and man are from America. But this is an international company. I know the Mexican and the white guy. I know the Mexican and the white guy. I mean, I know them personally. The Mexican and the white guy. I've been making money with them for 3 years. Okay? So, of course, I know them. So, as a passive program, when I have to give my money away, for me to give big money away, and really be doing it in a big way, I got to know the owners. The Forex company I'm with, I'm talking about with the, that I go through Bitcoin. I mean, cryptocurrency to do it, which is a passive program. I have to send my money away. That's not the program I've been talking about, that you have your own accounts and your own robots. It's a different Forex company. It's just a passive income company. And I got a couple of passive income programs that I'm doing, investment programs that I'm doing too. But my main passive income program is this one, because I know the owners. Okay? So, it's a couple of the owners. So, what does it do? You put in a minimum of $40, you're going to get paid every day for a year. Every day for a year. Did I say a year? Every day for a year. And then you're going to get your principal back at the end of the year. Whatever money you put in, say for instance you put in 40. 20 is going to go to the compensation plan, 20 is going to go to the investment. So you'll get $20 back at the end of the year. Not the whole $40, because only 20 is going to the investment. Other 20 is going to the compensation plan. Just they're letting you know exactly what they're doing with the money. That's what all companies do, especially when they're connected to network marketing. They just don't tell you. That's how you keep the machine running. So I'm able to make a lot of money. I turn the account, $40 account into, in about 6 months, I have about 150 packages, $40 packages that I bought. 150 packages that I bought, that I have, that is built up to. Which link, Harold? Because the link, I'll put in my Coinbase link in this when I'm going. The talk, but the link for the sign up for the Wealth Portal, Wealth Boss link is up, and I'll send my Coinbase link. It's up at the, if you look at the, what is it called? This piece that we're doing is right there. You say, yes, I am making 100 a day with this great Bitcoin company, Wealth Boss. You see the link. But I'll put in my Coinbase link. So what I'm saying is it makes it very exciting when you know the people. We just had a retreat or a conference in Mexico City, and I got to meet the trader, okay, which is from Colombia. He don't even speak English. He barely speaks English, but he's from Colombia. He trades the Forex, he trades the stock market, and he also trades cryptocurrency. And you know, I'm a Forex trader and a stock market trader. So I believe that you should trade yourself, but you should also have managed accounts when you don't feel like trading. I'm not nerdy. I don't want to trade all the time. I like other people who love doing it. Let them trade all the time. Okay? Now, again, this is not my company that I'm talking about with, that I have coming out that I wanted people to sign up with yesterday. That where you have the robots, Forex robots, where you have your own accounts. Of course, that's going to be a great company, and I love it. And that, we're going to build that like crazy, because I believe in multiple streams of wealth. So, what I'm going to do is, with this company, it's easy. Put in your $40. I got a couple other companies that deal with cryptocurrency, because I'm going to even be bringing more, so people can get that passive income going and be in the cryptocurrency market. It's crazy what's going on. So, I'm looking at you having value and making money and increasing your investment portfolio where you can make money. This is just my top company, but I have many of them, passive companies. toward cryptocurrency company. And then I'll show you how to trade and make money with Coinbase. So you're in the excellent position when you're with me that you're in a position to make money. You're in the position with me to make money. Okay? All you have to do is follow directions, follow steps. What I'll do, Harold, I'll put you into my wealth portal so you can keep up. I need to put Marcia Robinson in too. Tanja, I'll put you in too. And it's just a way for you to get in the game and make money. Cryptocurrency is the biggest, newest money on the planet. Don't let nobody fool you. You hear me? Don't let nobody fool you. Don't let nobody keep you away from this new money. It's like years and years ago when it was the gold rush. Don't miss out. Don't be a fool and miss out. I'm telling you. Cryptocurrency is the new money. It's everywhere. And you can be in position to make large amounts of money. For example, what I put in $40, $80 started off with, now it's almost $7,000 account. And that's just this company. I'm not talking about my other companies. That's just this company. So I'm making $100 a day. $100 a day. $100 a day. And it'll be $300 in probably the next 2 months. And it's just one company. Okay? This one company. So I'm just telling you, when you start dealing in this stuff, the money you can make is unbelievable. Okay? So get started, get involved, and understand with cryptocurrency. You can buy Amazon stuff, you can buy movie tickets, you can buy restaurants are taking it, clothing companies. You have in liquor stores, you have Bitcoin ATM machines. I just put up a picture a couple of days ago. Liquor store right down the street from me. So get ready for the changing of the new money. You know, when they say cash is king, well, cryptocurrency is queen. Cash is king, cryptocurrency is queen. That's how serious it is now. Get you some crypto, get in the game. It's easy to exchange. You move it to Coinbase, then you move from your bank, then to a company like WealthVault. And when you take it out from WealthVault to Coinbase and move it to your bank account. It turns into cash. There's nothing like it. There's nothing like it. It's unbelievable. So put yourself in a position to make money. Change your mindset. You know, my man Nipsey Hussle was in the cryptocurrency, and he was making. They said he put 800,000 in 2008. You know how wealthy he is just off of that. If you put 800,000 in at that time, he made at least 5-10 million, if not more. The increase in value has happened since 2008. So I don't even think he couldn't have been that smart in 2008 because he was a kid. So I don't think that's right. It may have been 2015, 14. Couldn't have been 2008. He was a kid. Couldn't have been that much of a genius. So what I'm telling you is get in position to make this money so you can create wealth for yourself. Cryptocurrency is one way. Of course, I deal with the Forex, I deal with the stock market, I deal with different trading markets. This one is an easy system for you to make money. There's a building side to it. What's the plus? You can build a business. Build a business. They have a great 3x12 matrix, which I love matrices. I don't like binary programs where you build one side and you got to catch up with the other side. I don't really play around with that. But I love matrices because you just fill in the next spot. And you put yourself in a position to make money because you get 10% every time somebody buys a package. You get 10%. That's how I grew it so fast. I'm going to leave on my YouTube and say get involved. It's going to be a link below for you YouTube folks. I'm going to give you the link so you can sign up and be a part of this. My Facebook folk don't go